Project and Portfolio 7 is everything they've learned throughout their entire time in the show production degree, from audio, video to lighting, and this is where we come over to our big venue space and we put it all together. Students have been working with a band all month, creating content and looks for the show, and now tonight we actually get to put all that theory into practice and do a concert for a band. I'm just here to make sure that it's done safely, and then I turn the floor over to the production manager of the class, which is someone in the class that has been dealing with, making sure people are here, people are signed up for positions.
So production manager reaches out to the clients and the bands to get as much information as we can to start building the show for pre-production. As a front of house audio guy, I have my input, so I can start looking at what microphones I want to use. Go from there on how you want to set up EQs and gates and comps if you need those. Get them situated and set first, and then when you start doing your sound check, then you can dial everything in as you go. Today we have Gray as our band, so I've been talking to their band manager and getting all the instruments they use and the inputs they're going to need, their set list, so our lighting guy can go through and listen to the songs and make cues and such.
When it comes down to lighting design, we spend time designing the whole stage, the whole set.
So he designed all that in the virtual world, and it's as easy as loading that up onto a thumb drive. We come over here to the venue, we put that into this console over here, then he's got the start to build his show. And then all he has to work on now is kind of shining up those looks.
A Hippo deals with the LED wall, lots of content that I can pick from, and just kind of go based off of what kind of lighting look the lighting guy is going for. Because if they're doing certain colors, you kind of got to take that into consideration with the clips that you use.
The director is the guy calling the show, saying, okay, ready camera 1, take camera 1, or ready camera 2. And then the switcher operator is the person that's actually pushing that button to take camera 1 or to take camera 2.
As the technical director, my job is to make sure the director gets what he wants, and I'm on the technical side, so I operate the switcher. When they're changing from one picture to another, I'm in charge of making sure those pictures change and how they change.
We are in an industry that is growing and has tons of need for people, trained people coming out. Here at Full Sail, we let the students run the entire thing from start to finish. They start the show, they call when the show's ready, and then they run it from there.